Namaskaram. Good morning. Let's greet this day with openness, not weighed down by the past or anxious for the future. Life is to be experienced, not solved. Each sunrise is an invitation to be truly alive. Walk today with grace and wisdom. Align your actions and thoughts with well-being, for yourself and others. The universe is intelligent. Align with its rhythm, not your own chaos. Spiritual living is about organizing yourself beautifully, not just praying to the skies. Let this day be an experiment in conscious living. See every task and interaction as a chance to express your best. The stars may guide, but the choice to live with awareness is always yours. Let's say yes to life today. Today, the stars align in a particularly favorable way for a select few zodiac signs. The universe is sending a wave of positive energy, creating opportunities and opening doors. Cancer, Capricorn, and Leo are especially favored by cosmic energies. These signs will find that their natural strengths are amplified, and challenges may seem easier to overcome. Cancer. Emotional clarity and intuition are strong. Your empathetic nature is heightened, allowing you to connect with others on a deeper level. Use this for heartfelt connections and trust your instincts. Nurture your relationships and allow yourself to be vulnerable. This is a time for healing and strengthening bonds. Pearl white is your lucky color. Your best time is 9:00–11:30 a.m. This is when your intuition will be at its peak, making it an ideal time for important decisions or creative endeavors. Capricorn, your discipline pays off, great for career moves and leadership. Your hard work and dedication are being recognized, opening doors to new opportunities and advancements. Deep blue grounds you. 2:00–4:30 p.m. is your power window. Use this time to focus on your goals and take decisive action. Leo, your charisma shines. Your natural leadership qualities are amplified, drawing others to you and inspiring them with your vision. Take bold action, express yourself, and inspire others. Don't be afraid to step into the spotlight and share your unique talents with the world. Royal gold is your color. Peak energy from 12:00–0:00 p.m. This is the perfect time to tackle challenging projects or engage in activities that require creativity and passion. For all, use this cosmic support to uplift yourself and those around you. Share your good fortune and spread positivity wherever you go. Let today's luck be a catalyst for conscious, positive action. Embrace the opportunities that come your way and use them to create a better future for yourself and others. Remember, fortune is an opportunity, not a guarantee. It's up to you to seize the moment and make the most of the blessings you receive. Make the most of it with awareness. Stay grounded, stay present, and appreciate the good things in your life. The journey is yours to shape. Embrace the possibilities, trust your intuition, and create a life filled with joy, purpose, and fulfillment. Happy birthday to all celebrating today. Your unique blend of charisma and intuition is your gift. Use it wisely. This year, focus on mastering both your inner and outer worlds. Sharpen your intuition and practice financial discipline. See it as a path to freedom, not restriction. Healing is a theme. Let go of old wounds and be a source of comfort to others. Take a moment to appreciate the miracle of life itself. May your year ahead be filled with clarity, growth, and purpose. Celebrate with awareness and joy. As we center ourselves and align within, grounding our energy, let's also be aware of the world outside, the environment that surrounds us, and the subtle shifts in weather patterns across Bharat. Understanding these changes allows us to navigate our day with greater ease and preparedness. North India. Expect pre-monsoon showers, a welcome respite from the heat, signaling the approaching monsoon season. These showers can be unpredictable, so it's best to be prepared for sudden downpours. Be aware of potential thunderstorms, with dramatic lightning and heavy rainfall, and increased humidity, creating a sticky and uncomfortable atmosphere. Remember to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day and seek shelter indoors during storms to avoid any weather-related incidents. Prioritize monsoon safety. South India. Heavy monsoon rains are expected to continue, bringing much-needed water to the region, but also posing challenges with potential flooding and disruptions to daily life. Exercise extra caution especially along the coast. The combination of heavy rain and strong winds can create hazardous conditions. Allow extra travel time to reach your destination safely and report any clogged drains to your local authorities to prevent waterlogging and ensure smooth traffic flow. East India. Brace yourselves for hot, humid conditions, making outdoor activities quite challenging. Be prepared for afternoon thunder showers. These can develop quickly, so keep an eye on the sky and have a plan in place in case you get caught in the rain. Opt to wear light, breathable cotton clothes to stay comfortable in the humidity, and always watch the sky before heading out, checking weather updates to avoid getting caught off guard. West India. Coastal areas like Mumbai will see monsoon showers. Enjoy the refreshing rain, but be mindful of potential disruptions to daily routines. Rajasthan remains hot and dry. With temperatures soaring, it's crucial to take necessary precautions to avoid heat stroke and dehydration. It's best to avoid outdoor activity during peak heat hours, seeking shade whenever possible, and staying indoors in air-conditioned environments. Wherever you are in Bharat, remember to adapt to nature's rhythms for a smoother and more harmonious day. Embrace the changing seasons and adjust your activities accordingly. A little awareness and preparation prevents a lot of trouble. Staying informed about the weather forecast can help you make better decisions and avoid unnecessary risks. Respect the elements, understand their power, and don't fight them. Instead, find ways to coexist peacefully with nature, appreciating its beauty and respecting its forces. Stay safe, stay prepared, and always have a plan in place for any weather-related emergencies. Let nature's cycles remind us of life's constant change, encouraging us to embrace flexibility and adapt to new circumstances with grace and resilience. Move through your day with wisdom, awareness, and a deep appreciation for the natural world around you. Today, the moon forms a harmonious trine with Jupiter, bringing emotional clarity and optimism. This is a day for insight. Solutions may come easily, and you'll see the bigger picture. Use this energy for reflection, meaningful conversations, and sharing wisdom. Generosity and tolerance are heightened. Build bridges, not walls. The clarity is gentle. Be patient and quiet enough to notice it. Take a few moments for stillness or a walk in nature. Let your mind settle and allow cosmic wisdom to flow in. Today's cosmic weather supports growth and understanding. Make space for it. Navigating the day's currents requires a bit of mindfulness. A few simple guidelines, like a compass pointing north, can help you flow with today's energies. Embrace the morning with intention, setting a positive tone for what's to come. Do express gratitude. It's a powerful way to shift your perspective and appreciate the abundance around you. Start your day by appreciating 3 things. It could be as simple as the warmth of the sun, the love of family, or the comfort of your home. Do connect meaningfully. Human connection is vital for our well-being. Share and listen with an open heart. Truly hearing others and expressing yourself authentically can create deeper bonds. Do plan for the future. Having a vision for what you want to achieve provides direction and motivation. Write down your goals. This simple act makes them more tangible and increases the likelihood of achieving them. Do be generous. Giving back to others not only benefits them, but also enriches your own life. Small acts of kindness ripple far. A simple gesture can have a profound impact on someone's day, creating a chain reaction of positivity. Don't rush big decisions. Take your time to weigh the options and consider the potential consequences. Clarity is high, but avoid impulsiveness. While intuition is valuable, major choices require careful thought and consideration. Don't gossip. It's a destructive habit that harms both the speaker and the subject. Use your words to uplift, not diminish. Choose your words carefully, focusing on encouragement and support. Don't ignore your intuition. It's a valuable source of guidance that can help you navigate complex situations. Trust your gut, even if it's not logical. Sometimes your intuition knows what's best, even when your mind can't explain it. Don't overextend. It's important to protect your time and energy by setting healthy boundaries. Balance ambition with your limits. Pushing yourself too hard can lead to burnout, so prioritize rest and self-care. Let these do's and don'ts guide you, providing a framework for making conscious choices throughout the day. to a day of ease and purpose. When you align your actions with your values, you create a sense of fulfillment and satisfaction. Live with awareness, not compulsion. Be present in each moment, making choices that align with your intentions. Let your actions be conscious and kind. Every interaction is an opportunity to make a positive impact on the world. That's the way to a joyful day. By embracing these principles, you can cultivate a life filled with purpose, connection, and joy. Time has its own quality. Aligning with it brings success. Today, the moon is in Scorpio, encouraging deep focus and transformation. Use this energy for research or introspection, but manage intense emotions wisely. Rahu Kaal, an inauspicious period, is from 2:073:46 p.m. Avoid starting new ventures then. Auspicious windows, Shubha Muhurat from 7:088:48 a.m. Lab Muhurat from 1:27:3:7 p.m. Be cautious near Rahu Kaal, and Amrit Muhurat from 3:074:46 p.m. Plan important actions during these times for best results. Let cosmic timing support your efforts. Move with the flow of time, not against it. If you're facing hardship, remember, no pain is permanent. Life is always changing. This tough season will pass. Struggles are not punishment, but opportunities for growth and transformation. Allow yourself to feel, then take the next small step. Drink water, go for a walk, reach out to someone. You are not alone. Existence supports you. Trust the intelligence of life within you. Be patient with yourself and the process. The sun will rise again. New possibilities await. Thank you for sharing this time. May you walk today with consciousness and hope. We'll meet again for more wisdom. Namaskaram. Take care.